Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create an invoice in MS Word. First, open MS Word on your computer. Click on File and then select New. In the search bar, type Invoice and press Enter. You will see different invoice templates. Choose the template you like and click Create. Now edit the invoice details. Add your business name, address, phone number, and email. Enter the customer's details. Then add the invoice number and date. Now fill in the product or service details. Add the description, quantity, price, and total amount. If needed, add tax or discount. Check all details carefully. Once done, click File, then Save As to save your invoice. You can also click Print to print it or save it as a PDF for sharing. And that's it. That's how you create an invoice in MS Word. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.